In this video, I'm going to show you a game-changing AI prompt that will instantly generate the perfect title and subtitle for your webinar. Because let's be real, your webinar could be packed with value, but if the title doesn't grab attention, well then no one's signing up. And here's the crazy part. This AI-powered prompt, it isn't just random. It taps into psychological triggers that make people desperate to learn more. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a webinar title so compelling that people won't just sign up. They'll feel like they need to. Now, if you've ever struggled to come up with a title that actually works, well, you're not alone. Most people, they either overcomplicate it with jargon that confuses people, or they make it too generic so no one cares. Or worst of all, you'll create a title that's forgettable. But after hosting webinars for the past 3.5 years, I've discovered that a high converting webinar title follows a specific formula. And with AI, you can generate the perfect title in seconds. So let's break it down. Here's the exact AI prompt that will give you a webinar title and subtitle that demands attention. Let me explain it, and then we'll run it. All right, welcome to the webinar title and subtitle prompt. Now, I created this prompt, and you'll notice here that there are 2 different areas for you to fill things in. So that's going to be the first one right here. Describe what your webinar is about, and then also to insert your target audience. So the reason for this is because when I created this prompt, I had you in mind. Okay, anybody who watches this video and anyone who uses this prompt, if you use this, you're gonna get a different response based on what you fill in these brackets with. I hope that makes sense. So it starts off by assigning a role to the chatbot. So we're going to give it a role, a job description. Okay, we're going to give it some context. Then we're going to ask it. Okay, it says your task is to generate a list. Now we don't want to just get one title and subtitle. We want a list so that we can choose which one is going to be the best, right? That just makes sense. So I've also gone on to outline 5 different things that I want in here. So different title ideas, different title strategies. Basically, this is all going to create a beautiful list for you to choose from. So I'll stop yapping, and we'll go ahead and copy this entire thing, just like the instructions say to do. Then we'll come over here to ChatGPT, and we'll paste this in. Okay, pretty simple so far, right? So what I want to do next is I'm going to fill in those brackets. So for me, I'm going to do a webinar about fitness. So I'm going to come right here to my bracket, and I'm going to paste in what I want mine to be about. What I said is all the ways parents can remain healthy and stick to a fitness plan, even if they can't leave the house to go to the gym. Okay? Now, for my target audience, I'm going to keep scrolling down here. I'm going to remove this right there, and I'm going to paste in my target audience. Basically, what I said here is this audience includes new parents struggling to balance fitness with their demanding schedules, right? And I go on to explain even more. If you're wondering, yes, it does matter the amount of stuff you put in. Generally, the more content that you fill in the brackets with, the better. So let's go ahead and press go on this, and let's take a look at our results. So we're going to get a comprehensive list of engaging webinar titles. What I've done here is I've also added this part right here. So ChatGPT is going to explain why it thinks this title is going to work really well. So we got fitness for the sleepless, a new parent's guide to staying strong at home. From exhausted to energized, busy parents. So these are pretty good. No gym, no problem. Love this. Proven strategies to build muscle, lose weight, and stay healthy, even if you're juggling diapers, work, and 0 free time, right? So really great titles and subtitles right off the bat. It doesn't end there. It looks like this, it's going to create 20 titles for me to choose from, along with subtitles and why ChatGPT thinks it's a good option. So there we go right there. That's how to use this prompt. Pretty simple. Just fill in those two brackets. And hopefully you found this incredibly helpful. If you want this and the rest of my prompts for free, then click the link below. Now, go craft that irresistible webinar title and start filling up those seats. I'll see you in the next one.